Hello, growth mindset enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the intricate world of construction contracts. If you've ever been curious about the FIDIC contracts, especially Clause 20.1, known as the contractor's claims, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, a quick but essential note. By subscribing to our channel and tapping the notification bell, you're not just joining a community, you're investing in knowledge. Every notification is a new opportunity to learn and grow, so make sure you're subscribed. Now, let's get started. Clause 20.1 isn't just any clause. It's the backbone of many construction contracts, ensuring fairness and clarity. At its essence, this clause provides a structured mechanism for contractors to raise claims arising from various events during the contract's execution. It's like a safety net, ensuring that every party involved gets what they're rightfully entitled to. But here's where it gets intricate. Clause 20.1 doesn't operate in isolation. It's deeply interconnected with other clauses, creating a complex web of interdependencies. This interaction with other clauses is crucial. For instance, consider its relationship with the employer's claims, or its ties with arbitration. These interactions are like pieces of a puzzle, and understanding how they fit together is paramount for anyone dealing with FIDIC contracts. But we're not just about theory here. Let's talk real-world scenarios. Imagine a construction project facing delays due to unforeseen circumstances, or disputes arising over measurements. These are situations where Clause 20.1 becomes the guiding light, helping navigate the complexities and ensuring fairness. For our professionals watching, we've got something special. We've crafted sample letters representing communications related to this clause. Think of these as your templates, ready to be customized and used in real-world scenarios. And because we believe in equipping you with all the tools you need, we've also created structured checklists. These are your step-by-step guides, ensuring you're always on the right track when dealing with Clause 20.1. Now, I want to take a moment to acknowledge the effort behind this content. Our team at Growth Mindset Company has poured in countless hours, collaborated with industry experts, and synthesized this treasure trove of information. It's been a labor of love, and we're proud to share it with you. For those who crave even more depth, we've got you covered. Head over to our website, www.wisdomwavishub.com. linked in the description. There, you'll find a plethora of resources and material related to this video and so much more. Now, on to some frequently asked questions. How often does Clause 20.1 come into play in real-world contracts? Answer: quite frequently. It's a cornerstone of many construction contracts, ensuring fairness and transparency. Can I customize the sample letters provided? Answer: absolutely. They're designed to be adapted based on your project's specific circumstances. Where can I find more resources on FIDIC contracts? Answer: our website, www.wisdomwavishub.com, is a treasure trove of resources on this topic and many others. In conclusion, understanding Clause 20.1, its implications, and its interactions with other clauses is paramount for anyone in the construction industry. We hope this video sheds light on its intricacies and empowers you with the knowledge to navigate it effectively. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement fuels our passion and drives us to produce even more high-quality content. This is Growth Mindset Company, signing off. Until next time, stay curious, keep growing, and always strive for understanding.